Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Eve, and today it's all about hair, guys. It's not about makeup, but as you all know, I love makeup and I did my makeup. So guys, keep it locked as you see how I colored my hair. That is my natural hair for the first time, guys. So keep it locked as you see how we did it. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. You have been amazing, and so far so good, guys. Let's see how we did the hair color, guys. So this is the process. So guys, I'm doing color on my hair for the first time in my life. So my hair has been black and natural all the way. So this is what I'm going to do. So I have sectioned my hair into four. This, and this. I'm going to use this Creme of Nature hair dye. So this is what I'm going to use in the shade Intensive Red. So guys, first of all, I don't want my hair to be this red. So I just want a tint of red. So what I'll do, I won't stay with the color for long so that I can get just a tint of red. Not this color here, not this shade here, but I just want a tint of the red. So let's do it, guys. This is my first time. I'm so scared. I don't know how the results will be. I don't want my hair to be fire all the way. So I just want that tint of red. So let's do it, guys. So this color is permanent, guys. So they'll provide you with this. This is Creme of Nature color developer, this one here. Then they provide you with this one here. This is the Creme of Nature conditioning treatment. This is what you treat with. Then they provide you with this tube here. This is the color, the cream gel hair color, this one here. So what we'll do, we'll mix this and this together, these two. So this one is used after you shampoo. And then they have this oil here. This is argan oil treatment, this one by Creme of Nature. Then there's this instruction paper here. It comes with these gloves. So they provide you with the gloves. So I didn't have to buy my own gloves. So I'll be using this. So, and actually make sure you read the instructions before use. So I've already done that. So guys, I'll go ahead and mix these two. And I won't be using another bottle mixture because I have this. So I'll just cut this end here with scissors, then mix everything here, shake the bottle and start using it. Let's do that, guys. I have my gloves on and I have already done this mixture here, this one. So always shake well before use. So I'll just go ahead and apply this. I'll start with this section.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I don't wanna stay. You say we need.
So guys, this is now after 10 minutes. You can already see the tint. The color is already evenly distributed, so you can already see that red tint. So hope it's not gonna be too much, guys, so let's wait. And I'll be back after washing it, show you the results, guys. Hope it's gonna be successful. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my final look, guys. So the lighting is not doing me justice, so I'll just go outside and use the natural light so that you can see there was a real change. And I got what I wanted, that is the red tint. Remember in the beginning I said I didn't want that deep red, the harsh color, so I just wanted a tint of red, which I really got. So to me, it's a hit, guys. It's a hit. So I got what I wanted. So let's go outside and see the natural lighting.
It's another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them.
Guys, you can see the difference with the natural lighting. That was it, guys, and I love it. I love it. I went ahead and did my Bantu knots, so you all know how I do my Bantu knots. I will link that video up here so that you can see how I do my Bantu knots to achieve these curls. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that red button there. See you on the next one. Bye.
Need a change, and I feel that you mean it.